All right, welcome back. It's Mike here at Keto Style, and today we're going to be frying up some hamburgers. We're actually going to have a blue cheese hamburger with avocado, and I'm frying up my burgers now. I got some of those ready, and we got a few more to go yet. But I'm going to go ahead and get these fried up. Now, this hamburger meat is certainly got high fat. It's 73.27. It's really good hamburger meat, good fats in that. So once we get these fried up and everything, we're going to have some avocado with it, and like I said, we're going to have blue cheese on that also, and this is homemade blue cheese. It's real easy to make, and so we'll be making a video on that to share that recipe with you too. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. It's a good quick meal for supper. If you come in and you want to fry up some hamburgers, you just have a hankering for hamburgers, and I did today. I just was craving a hamburger. I thought, well, I'm going to go to the store and get some hamburger meat and come back and fry these babies up. And of course, naturally, I'll use a good cast iron skillet, and I'll leave some information in the description box for that. But it's a good 12-inch cast iron skillet. It cooks real well and makes everything real good. We love it. And so anyway, we'll be back with you here shortly after these hamburgers get cooked up, and we'll put everything together and show you what a good old-fashioned hamburger with avocado and blue cheese dressings like. Alright, well, most of these hamburgers are done. I've got just a couple left here in the skillet that I'm going to be cooking up, but I've got some here that are already ready to go, so I'm going to grab one over here, and well, let's just do two. How about that, huh? Alright, we're going to put two on our plate, and to make a blue cheese hamburger with avocado, I've got my homemade blue cheese, and if you haven't ever tried homemade blue cheese, you got to do that. I'm going to make a recipe, make a video with a recipe, and share that with you. But look how rich and thick that blue cheese is, and man, it tastes so good. But anyway, put a little blue cheese on your hamburger like that, and then of course avocado. I know some people don't like avocado, but I just love it. It's great for you. It's got good fat in it as well. It's really good for a keto diet, and really tastes great. But anyway, that's all you have to do to make a blue cheese and avocado hamburger. And man, I tell you what, it's hard to beat. Let's just go ahead and taste this here. I don't know. I know you can't taste it, but I can, and I'm gonna try this. Man, that is awesome. That is so good. If you like hamburgers with blue cheese and avocado, this is the way to do it. And I'm going to leave some information in the description box there. And like I said, I'll be making some blue cheese. I'm making a blue cheese video and showing you how to make homemade blue cheese and homemade mayonnaise and homemade ranch dressing coming up pretty soon. So anyway, we appreciate it. Hey, leave a description or leave a comment in the description box down there if you like avocado or you like blue cheese or you don't. Tell me what you like, and hit the like button, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, and share this with your friends and family on Facebook, and we certainly appreciate it. Hey, you guys have a great day, and we'll be coming back to you soon. It's Mike over here at Keto Style. We'll see you.